Hello, my name is Hermann Tauchung. I'm from TrackingMaster and we work together here on the booth with Canon and Extron. And I show you an automated lecture hall with tracking and full media control. And as you can see here, we have an automated tracking system. It's based on LiDAR sensors, like you can see here on the downside. And with that LiDAR sensors, we can scan the whole room and know the exact position of a person in the room, and can combine it to control the camera and also automate the whole lecture hall. Like if I go over here to that position, the visualizer automatically switches on and stream automatically goes from one to another, and the lecturer do not have to know how the whole system in the room works. He can concentrate on its own, on his lesson, and everything else is automated by the TrackingMaster. And so the TrackingMaster gives the whole room the intelligence to do everything on its own. Like if I go over here to the desk, the microphone automatically switches on based on my position. And that's why that's the most important advantage, that you do not know how everything works. Everything has the intelligence to do it on its own. That's combined, for example, in that situation with the media control from Extron, and everything is controlled via network. So even our TrackingMaster communicate over a network cable, and Extron uses also NAV about the network to combine all the media in one solution. And with Canon, you have an optimized product in the whole solution to get really good content to show in a lecture hall, in a conference room, or even in a showroom.